Okay guys, how I said, I'm gonna glitch in this planet now, okay? Yeah. So, we'll pick up the trash back. Okay, first glitch is actually a speedrun to my previous glitch. It's not speedrun, it's a speedrun to my glitch, so remember. Wait, just go in the first person and climb this building. And this thing. Now we're standing on this. Double jump. You land here, and these ships can push you sometimes. You go into right thing or whatever. Yeah, you can double jump, grab, and back on the bolt thing. Look at my previous glitch. Come on. Okay. Still trying to glitch in there. Never actually work. Back to my previous glitch. Come on. No. Okay, next. Okay, this glitch is very cool. Look at there. You may see the beam. So, yeah. Go into a first person and you can do my longer jump glitch to go in there. Or you can climb this tower, which you actually go to the top of this bolt thing. You can charge but they're simple, not waste decoys. Okay, go into a first person again and climb this tower thingy. Yep, and they're standing here. And look at the beam. It starts right here. Starting of a beam. You cannot see it because it's so weird. Okay, let's continue. Turn around here. Double jump, climb. The quality is pretty weird. Sorry guys for my quality. I haven't got the greatest camera. Yeah. Okay, now I'm standing, seriously, I'm standing on the highest point of the whole planet. And I can charge, for example, to any place of this planet, like to my next glitch. Okay, so keep striking. Look towards that building for that bowl. Yeah. Oops, I missed. Charge boot. Let go, glide, and you should land on the bolt. Yeah. Now go here. I can stand on and walk around. Anyway, that platform is not solid, but there is one solid platform. Alright guys, just back. Double jump. And glide here. They're standing on the secret building of the Endako, right there. I can go to the next side. And you can do also, oops, no. Double jump, wrench climb, double jump, and you should go to the opposite side, but I didn't do it now. Whoa. Whatever. Oops. Double jump again. Yeah, sure, a really cool glitch, but I don't know if I can make it for the first try. Okay, now, yippee, standing. I'm standing now on the roof. Double jump. You can get on this roof. Wait, camera change. Okay, camera changed. Fall down here. I'm actually here. You can go to the next side, which will be actually a secret tower. And you can double jump here. I'm standing on the thing. Go into climb mode, climb it. I'm standing in here. And you pick up your hell pack. What the heck? Pick up decoy. Have to perform the long air jump over here. I mean over there. Over there. Or just do this now. Glide around over here. And I'm in the secret room. The secret room, the second one in this planet, because I showed you one in my glitch video part 1. Anyway, decoy back, if you don't know which room I mean. Oh crap, he hit me. It's this secret room. Okay, next. Okay guys, just a small thing. While you are in a Clank's area, right here, you're gonna go over here. Now we have to climb. Going to the... No! Land here. Get out of climb mode and keep striking to move. Or... I don't remember this glitch, I did it a long time ago. Yeah, I have to climb this here. I can here go here. And yeah, I'm standing really high. I can go follow the fence and move somewhere. Guns, bolts. Oops, I broke something. Thruster. Can go to the next one, which I'm actually on the top. Let's see if I can make it over there. Yes. And that's all. Whoop. Back on the roof. Okay, next. Okay, I found this only a second ago when I was going to that glitch. Okay, so climb this tower. Whatever. Jump. And you're standing in here and you cannot walk on this thing. But I'm so high. Hey, let's see if I can land on this. Make it. No! Cannot stand on that. Whatever. Okay guys, this is the last glitch. You keep air jumping over here on these paths and don't use the swing shot. And now I'm here and these things are not moving. You cannot branch climb over them and they're untouched. And you cannot activate this swing shot target that is right there. So yeah, that was my glitch video. Hope you enjoy and see ya next. And the next planet, I'm glitching planet Todano. See ya.